in the first class, it seems. So that don't forget to construct a truth table. I think you can do that. Okay. The same way, the second question. What is the second question? Examine whether these what is this compound proposition. This is a given compound proposition. You know what is proposition, compound proposition, everything. So there you have to check whether the given compound proposition is tautology. You know when the compound proposition or a given simple proposition can be say as tautology when it has all the entries 1. So there you have to complete this by using truth table. Okay, here you complete this question by using truth table and go to the third question. Prove the following using laws of logic. You know what are the laws of logic? So many classes we have done with laws of logic. Sir given board in the demo with board also, so that I think you are familiar with all the rules. Rule 1, rule 2, like some 7 rules is there. So without this rules, you cannot do for laws of logic some simplifications. Okay, based on that you have to do this. So this is the first question and the second. Okay, then what is the fourth one? Write the dual, negate, converse, duality, dual, negate, duality, converse and inverse, also contrapositive of the statement given below. So based on the statement what he has given here, he has given that if Alex sings Western songs, then he will play piano. So based on that, you have to form a statement with the P and Q. Okay, if then is there, so you know how to form the statement for this given words. Okay, so that there you can find the duality, converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Have you remember these things? How to find converse, inverse, and also the contrapositive, so that you can complete this question. Then go for the fifth one. What is the fifth question? There is a set called A, which consists of 4 elements: A, 1, 2, 3, B. Same way, B is another set. There we have W, X, Y, Z. C. So C, which consists only 3 elements. Now let R1 be a relation from A to B. So and R2 a relation from B to C. So that we have the relation called R1, R2. Okay, so what you have to do, so here the relation, what all the relations is there? R1, R2, R1 be the relation from A to B, R2 from B to C. So what you have to do, you have to find this. I think you know how to represent the relation in matrix. Okay, we have already done this question. So that is M is a matrix. We have to construct the matrix representation for the relation R1, R2. There, the same way you have to find the composition of the relation. This simple, this is to find the composition of the relation. That relation, for that relation, you have to construct the matrix. Then again, you have to check this. Anyway, you will be having the values for this. Then you have to do the matrix multiplication. The same question I think we already completed. If it is otherwise, if it is completed, no need to. But I think this values is not similar. So okay, so that you can do this sum also in this class. Okay. Now we'll go for the sixth problem. Guys, are you listening? Shall I start a poll here? Like, okay, wait. What is no, ma'am? No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I will start poll here. My question is, am I audible, guys? Am I audible? I think I have disconnected. Am I audible? Please respond me. I think my net is very slow. Okay. Actually, here I am going to post one question, and by the time I will start a poll, there you can say yes, no, and some relations is there. So based on that, you can answer. I will start a poll now. Select option yes or no. Okay. Yes. I'm waiting for your response. Whether can you able to follow this online classes, because this is mathematical subject, so that your feedback is very important, so that you just give me, can you able to follow the classes what we are conducting up to this, what are all the topics we have covered up to this, is it possible for you to create some knowledge about relations, functions, what are the topics we have covered? Can you able to post the answer in poll? Yes, you do that. By the time I'll discuss these questions. Okay. So sixth question. What is the we completed up to fourth, I think. Okay. Now this is sixth question. Sixth question is A. The set A is given, and also B, C. We have three sets. Based on the sets given, we have to determine the A union B Cartesian product, that's C. Okay, this you know how to do. So uh, this question is also university question which carries 8 marks. Okay, don't think that's a simple question, it won't come. It will be there. Okay, then go to the seventh question. Seventh question, what is the seventh one? If A is equal to, that is A. Okay, so A1 union A2 and A3 union. That means A1, A2, A3 all is a which one? Subset. Okay, they have given subset over here. Based on this, if you form A, it will obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and based on that, you have to define the relation. You just see what the condition they have given the relations. If you understand this, then only you can form a relation. Okay, can anyone give the relation? What will be the relation based on the condition? Type in chat box. Or on A by X relate to Y, how it will be related? If X and Y are in the same subset, A of I, based on this condition. So according to this condition, I think you can understand what is the condition they have mentioned here. Based on the condition, what will be the R? Okay, you give the R first, then you can go for whether it is a equivalence relation or not. Can you type in chat box? What will be the relation entries in this? What the elements the relation R will have? So here some of can you answer this? Can you start again from 1, please? Why, Janavi? What happened? No, I'm asking the question. Can you understand this relation? What will be the relation? Okay, so based on the relation, you just give me what will be the or. Okay, then you can go for whether it is a equivalence relation or not. Because if it is the class is completed, even though you know the topics, you know the concept, then and there we have to conduct these kind of classes that we can check whether you people can able to understand the classes or not. Okay, so that if you answered, I can take it in the way that you are following the classes, all the things is understandable by you. Okay. And what I am typing is the response is coming very late. KN, how many times you entered in 3 plus 3, 3? Okay. Yes, am I audible? Any other answers? Please, one. If you respond only, I can go for the next question. I given the questions here, only the topics which I already covered, myself and sir, both already covered. Based on that, I am raising the questions here. All the questions is from university, not from any book or it is not my question. Okay. So based on your or, you have to find the or should be the correct one. Okay, then you have to check whether or is an equivalence relation. You know when the relation can be said as a equivalence relation, when it is reflexive, symmetric, and another one transitive. Then only a relation can said what it is equivalence relation. Okay, yes. Or eighth question. Now let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or equal to the given relation be a relation. This is very simple. Determine whether the relation, this is also a university question. Even though it's simple, determine whether the relation is reflexive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So it is like 8 more questions. Okay. You have to check whether it is reflexive, irreflexive, both they have given. So there you have to check the possibility of this satisfaction. Then go for ninth question. What is the ninth question? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to the same. I take the same example which I already used. Okay. C equal to 5, 6, 7. Now we have R1. This I'll, okay, with matrix we have completed. Now you have to find R1 composition R3. You know how to find R1 composition R2 when R2 is there. Okay. So based on the relations, you have to find R3, then R1 and composition R3. So R1, R2, then R3. What are all the values which is related to R2, then R3, so that you can find R1 composition R3. Okay, the last question is x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or equal to x, y. Can you see my screen? Guys, is it able to see the 10th question? Yes, I think. Okay. Some students are unable to join. Okay, I can do one thing. All A section, that is USN 1 to 9, sorry, 1 to 19, you can leave the session and go for the assessment. You take assessment now, right now. USN 1 to 90, take assessment now. You leave the session, no problem. 10th question, up to 10th question I have come. I will ask the students to answer so that you can take assessment now. You can leave the session. I save the attendance also already. I have saved the attendance of A section, all the section, so that first this A section, complete A section, that is 1 to 90. It comes A and B also. So you can take assessment in Moodle. You can leave this session now. This big blue button you can leave. There it won't be any problem because that's not belongs to big blue button, so that you can take the assessment without any problem. You can leave now. All USN from 1 to 19 you can leave. Yes. Again